Alright guys, we are at Vdara, right next to Aria, Las Vegas, Nevada. And here we have what they would call the staywell room. You might see that in several hotels. You'll see that option that says staywell. And I'll show you a little bit why they call it a staywell. But as you enter, you'll see the kitchenette area, which is real cool to have, especially on the strip. So you can grab food, put it in the microwave, use your refrigerator. Again, one side is locked, probably was the stocked fridge, but the other side is completely empty. And you could use that. You have a little cooktop. Sink, obviously, storage, microwave. What's cool about the Vdara is you have a lot of switches on the walls to run different parts of the room. For example, the master switch for all the lights and stuff like that, but you don't have to worry about hanging something outside. You got the do not disturb or the housekeeping buttons here, and you can control the drapes, as you might have seen earlier, coming up and down, different switches with dimmers, really nice touch. And you got a place to sit at and eat, which is very nice because obviously you can see you have a view while you're sitting there. Good sized television, plenty of storage space, nice decor, nice furniture. Again, we are right across from the Cosmo, but yet we can still see the fountains and the strip, which is a great view. There we have a pool at Bellagio. So here's, as we come around this way, you can see part of why they call this a staywell room. This is basically like an ionizer. So there's a staywell, but it's basically to clean the air. So the premise behind this room is to have, you know, good air, fresh air, nice scents, and nice sounds. So you can control pretty much everything from this iPad if you would like. We've got some USB ports, and here's where you know, I mentioned the sounds. You have rain, brook, thunder, white noise, ocean, summer night. So it's just an option in the staywell rooms. The bed, super comfy, memory foam. At first when you touch it, you might think, well, it's not very soft, but it really hugs your body and feels great. I had a great sleep here. Maybe because every time we're in Vegas, we're always dead tired, but for some reason, it's a really comfortable bed. You've got your reading lamps right above. The sheets were very clean. Everything was very clean in this room. The safe will be in the closet with one of those automatic lights, so as you open the doors, your closet will light up and surprise you and say good morning. Safe is here. Plenty of space to hang stuff. Again, a super nice bathroom, especially since it's nice and clean. I know a lot of people look forward to tubs in Vegas, at least the people that, you know, we talk to. And so this looks like a really decent sized tub. You don't have a window view to the strip or anything like that, but it looks like a nice clean tub, which is definitely a plus. I like the fact that you have this little rack with plenty of towels, so you don't have to constantly call down for housekeeping to bring more towels. You got lots of towels to choose from. It would be nice if there was maybe a little bit more of these little hooks to hang another towel, but I can't complain. The shower was very nice, very easy to use, very clean, not a big deal. It wasn't like super dark where you can't see anything. High ceilings, at least for us short people. This is another feature of the Staywell room right here. It's like a vitamin infuser. So when you turn the water on, you can actually smell it. So it's just a feature to make it that much better. Restroom area. Plenty of counter space. Although there's only one sink, it still wasn't an issue. We have plenty of space on the counter to put stuff. Ladies will definitely enjoy the lights in here. Again, it's not very dark and shady. You can have ample lighting to do what you gotta do. Make sure you put your face on. And then again, you can't complain at nighttime when the lights go down, sun goes down. You have this amazing view of the Strip and Bellagio. And again, once those lights come on in Vegas, you guys know what it looks like. It's super, super pretty. And it's nice to just get up here and relax. So, hope you enjoy. Oh, who's
hello.
This?
Hello there.
Who's this?
Hi. I was just enjoying the view. I sat down. I was like, you know what? I want to see the view of the mountains, but can't find them.
Yeah, that's the thing, guys. Look at that. Look at the haze. And it's weird because different days have different amounts of haze.
Yeah.
It's strange.
A couple of features I wanted to mention before we go is they did provide us with 2 masks and a hand sanitizer. Obviously, we put the masks away. We're keeping them, and we're keeping this. And then the robot.
Oh, yeah.
They did tell us that the robot is fully operational.
Oh, I'm afraid it's fully operational.
And but it only the only room service that they provide is if the marketplace cafe downstairs is open. So we wanted to kind of do it at night, but it's closed at night, the marketplace, or at least, you know, the time we were coming in at. Anyway.
No, it was really nice and a good location, and you don't have to worry about casino noise or smoke, at least down on the, you know, casino area, because there is no casino, but it's so close that you could just walk. And this is our leaving day, just so you know.
Yes.
We did not just get here. This is our last day.
We have used this room.
And 2 Cent did her, again.
My trash can's full, whatever.
She clocked in.
I clocked in.
She swiped in, and now she went to work. And, yeah, cleaned the room.
I guess so. Now I gotta undo it so they don't think it's clean.
Yeah.
All right, well, that's the room review here at Vdara. Soak in the view one more time. And I did surprise Hog. I purposely got a room.
I didn't know that she did that.
With the fountain view, and I told him while we were on the elevator, but you will see that in the vlog. All right, guys. Peace out.